Hi, and welcome to Chartico. In this video, we will be going over how to create an account for your customer. Before we begin, you must already have a Chartico account for your business. If you don't have one, follow the tutorial linked in the description and then come back to this video. To create your customer's account, start by clicking Customers on the left sidebar. Select the option Add New Customer. Fill in the necessary fields. Technically, only your customer's email and their subscription duration are mandatory. However, we strongly recommend that you provide all of the information you have, as this will make your customer list easier to manage. With Chartico, there are no hidden costs or recurring charges. We understand that different customers have different lifetime valuations. That's why we allow you to customize their account retention and control your expenditures. When you're done filling out the form, click Create Customer Profile. When you've completed your purchase, your customer will receive an email notification with a link to activate their account and a temporary password to log in. They can change it at any time once they're logged in. That's it. Now your customer is enrolled in Chartico, and you can now add reports to their account. Thanks for watching and exploring Chartico.